Coming up with fresh captions for Instagram, TikTok, or Pinterest every day can feel impossible. Many beginners just end up staring at a blank screen. Creating captions for multiple platforms can take hours, but AI can generate dozens in just minutes. I typed this prompt into ChatGPT. Pause the video if you want to copy it exactly. In moments, you have a full set of captions ready to post, saving time and keeping your content consistent and engaging. But generating captions is just the start. The AI Business Builder Challenge teaches you how to use this AI generated post strategically to drive traffic, engage your audience, and make sales, all in 5 beginner friendly episodes. You will also get bonuses like the copy and paste AI command database for tested prompts and the silent marketer strategy for massive reach without recording videos yourself. Stop struggling to write social media captions every day. Let AI do the heavy lifting. The AI Business Builder Challenge shows you how to turn these captions into real business results, all for just $17. Hit the link in the description to get started today.